welcome back to class. Alright, today we are going to be learning simple steps on how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers. Okay, before I continue, I would like to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, all my friends that have been commenting and liking my videos. I love you so much and I do not take you all for granted, okay? Please let the likes and comments and also the subscription keep coming in. Okay, let's continue with our lesson. Question 1. We have 865 times 423. Okay, we want to multiply these two numbers together. These numbers, 3 times 5 is 15. Write down 5 and carry 1. Just as we did in addition of numbers with what? Carrying. The same thing is also applicable to multiplication. When you have 2 digits, you write down the units and carry the tens up. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is what? 19. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Then we'll move to the second number, which is 2. We're going to use the number at the bottom to multiply the numbers at the top. 2 times 5 is 10. Write down 0 and carry 1 up here. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1, 13. 3, carry 1 up here. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 1, 17. Then the last one, 4 times 5 is what? 20. Write down 0 and carry 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2, 26. 4 times 8, is 32. Plus 2, 34. Then we add all together. So we have 5, 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 7 plus 6. That's what? 15. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. And then we have 3. Then our answer is 365,895. And that's that for the first question. Number 2, we have 473 times 678. 8 times 3 is 24. We're going to write down 4 and carry 2. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 2, 58. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 5, 37. 7 times 3 is 21. Write down 1 and carry 2. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 2, 51. Write down 1 and carry 5. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 5, that's 33. 6 times 3 is 18. Write down 8 and carry 1. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 1, 43. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 4, 28. Then we add all together. We have 4, 9, 16, 10, 12, and then 3. And our answer is what? 320,694. I hope you understand this. You need to do your multiplication table very well for you to answer questions like this. Now, question 3. We have 109 times 229. 9 times 9 is 81. Write down 1, carry 8. 9 times 0 is 0. Plus 8 is 8. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Write down 8 and carry 1 up here. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we'll move to the next digit. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Then we add together. Now 1 plus nothing is 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 1, 11. Plus 8, 19. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1, 4. And then 2 comes here. That gives us 24,961. Okay, we've come to the end of our lesson for today. I hope you understand how multiplication is done. In our next class, I'll show you how to solve problems with division, long division, yes, using a very simple acronym. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.